Welcome to Predict.law, where we use the power of AI to analyze your case, predict case value, find similar precedent cases, and automate demand letters. Let's get started. On the Predict.law home screen, the dashboard gives you visibility into your cases by highlighting the total award potential across all your cases, the number of plaintiff touchpoints, and your most recent award predictions. This provides a quick snapshot of your caseload, right when you log in. Adding a new case is straightforward. Simply upload your existing case documents. These can be police reports, medical records, case intake documents, or other information related to your case. We will analyze your documents and pull out the most relevant information for your case to determine the value of the case. You can always review and edit your case details to meet your needs. Once your case details are entered, Predict.law's AI analyzes thousands of historical cases to predict the likely award outcome of your case. These predictions are based on extensive case data, providing insights you can trust. Predict.law goes beyond numbers to deliver context. Our similar precedent cases feature identify similar cases from your jurisdiction, giving you quick access to relevant case precedents. Want to fine-tune your precedent cases? Your precedent cases can be customized by the features that matter most to you. You can focus on your specific county, or similar injuries for example. Predict.law will provide new precedent cases that best fit your firm's needs. Want to learn more about a particular precedent case? The Case Details screen provides a case comparison summary, so you know exactly what makes your case similar and how it differs from precedent. Next, let's look at the Modify Case feature. This tool allows you to adjust key factors, such as jurisdiction, injuries, case facts, or future medical costs. As your case evolves, this feature helps you stay up to date on your case's value, as well as preparing for the what-ifs that can arise in any case. Each modified case is saved, so you can easily compare award values and track case versions. Need to share your award predictions or simulations? Predict.law makes it easy. Generate a comprehensive report that includes your case's award prediction and similar case precedents. You can share the prediction report as a PDF directly via email. Perfect for explaining options to clients or collaborating with colleagues. Need to generate demand letters? Predict.law makes drafting demand letters quick and simple. Just click Create Demand Letter, select the default template or upload your firm's own template, and a professional demand letter will be delivered directly to your inbox, matching your firm's style and tone. Interested in learning more? Start a free trial today at Predict.law and transform your personal injury practice.